What's up guys, I'm James and this is the Great Gambino channel. Today we are taking a look at the Smooth Cube 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. Now once you get this item out of the box, you can see that it comes with a really nice storage case, which I thought was a nice touch for the price. In getting into the device, it is plastic, but it's a nice high quality plastic, feels good to the touch, and the buttons and all the functions feel like they're high quality as well. And we can see the weight here that's used to balance out the smart device. Turning it over, you see that the charge outlet is located on the side of the device, and toward the bottom you'll notice there's an extra USB outlet that can be used to charge your smart device while you're on the go. The holster stretches out to fit most phone devices in this unit. It slides right into this groove here, and then you're good to go with a nice snug fit. Once you have the phone safely adjusted into the unit, it's just a matter of holding the power button, and then boom, it'll automatically calibrate without much work on your part. Now that we're nice and stable, ready to go, let's go ahead and get some test footage. I'm definitely super impressed with this device. I can't believe how smooth it is. It makes me think back to when I was in film school and I paid a ridiculous amount of money for this goofy vest and arm and this weighted down pole that would hang off of it with my desperate attempt to make the entire thing work, which was a huge struggle in its own because you really needed skills back then to make a stabilizer work. It wasn't just a grab and go type of thing, and this definitely is. When I compare the past to now and I think, wow, we've come a long way from that ridiculous crazy contraption that almost didn't work for the average person to being able to have a 1080p 60 frames a second or 4K 30 frames a second device that fits in your pocket, hooked up to a grab and go device that gets the smoothest shots like you're a professional Steadicam operator. I definitely recommend this piece of technology to anybody that wants to get a nice smooth shot because it definitely does work. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.